Hello friends, in this video we'll be discussing Green's theorem problem number 2. Welcome back friends. Now we are starting with the second problem of Green's theorem. Let's have a look. Verify by Green's theorem. Verify means what? We need to solve or evaluate by Green's theorem and we need to verify by using line integration. Again both the problems are there. F bar is provided in the problem where C is the triangle having vertices A02, B20 and C42. First of all friends, for Green's theorem, we know the problem should be in terms of mdx plus ndy. Here in this problem, F bar is provided to us, which is x square I minus xyj. First of all, let us convert the problem into mdx plus ndy format. How to do that? We know dr bar, what is that? dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Therefore, f bar dot dr bar is, I am going to take integration also. With I we do have x square and dx, they will be multiplied. With j it's minus xy and dy, therefore minus xy dy. With k we don't have anything, 0 into dz is nothing. Therefore, our problem got converted into integration c x square dx minus xy dy. Let me compare it with integration c mdx plus ndy. Let's do that. Can you tell me what is m, what is n? Whatever with the dx is m, whatever with the dy is n. Therefore friends, here m is x square and n is, please don't forget a minus sign, minus xy. What is Green's theorem? Integration c mdx plus ndy is equal to double integration of dou n upon dou x minus dou m upon dou y. This is the formula, dx dy. That means I need to find it out dou n by dou x and dou m by dou y. Let's do that. Dou m upon dou y 0. With respect to y, x is constant, derivative is 0. Dou n upon dou x. Here friends, minus y is constant, x derivative is 1. Let's put here. Therefore, our given problem, that is x square dx minus xy dy by Green's theorem, got converted into dou n upon dou x, that is minus y. This term is anyhow 0 dx dy. Almost done. We just need to integrate this. What is left? Obviously, limits of integration. For that purpose, what must be done? We need to draw the curve. Let me draw the points. Let's check what is asked in the problem. A is equal to 0, 2, B is equal to 2, 0, C is equal to 4, 2. This we have already discussed in video number 1. Let me revise it quickly. This is 2, 0. This is 0, 2. This is actually our climax problem, last problem of video number 1. First of all, I have two options, either to take strip parallel to x-axis or parallel to y-axis. We have discussed this. We need to take here limit strip parallel to x-axis, because if you take strip parallel to y-axis, the region will be divided into two parts. That we have discussed in video number 1. The equation of this line is x plus y equal to 2, and equation of this line is x minus y equal to 2. If you don't know how it has come from, please go back, watch video number 1 and come back. Therefore, this will be equal to strip is parallel to x axis, therefore it will be x equal to y equal to, inner part is lying on this, inner limit is the starting and ending point of the strip. This is the starting point, that is starting point is on this, therefore here x equal to 2 minus y. Ending part of the strip is lying on this line, here x equal to 2 plus y. Move the strip, strip will go from this point to this point, this way. That means y is equal to 0 to y equal to 2. Inside we do have only minus y, dx and dy. Let's integrate this. Minus you can take outside. First of all, the same problem. You're going to integrate with respect to x first or y first. Remember, we discussed this doesn't matter. Whether it is dx dy, dx doesn't decide the order of integration. What decides the order of integration is this. This is x and outer we have y. Therefore, since inner is x equal to, first integration will be with respect to x and the outer with respect to y. Therefore, I am going to keep y as it is. First of all, I am going to integrate with respect to x. Which is equal to minus, this y is constant, will come out of the integration and will come here. It will not go out of the integration because it is constant with respect to integration x, not with respect to y. Therefore, this y will come here, and if it goes out inside integration with respect to x, you are left with 1 and its integration is x, and the limits are 2 minus y to 2 plus y, and finally dy. Let's substitute the limits. Minus y equal to 0 to 2, this y as it is, upper limit is 2 plus y, minus lower limit is 2 minus y. Let's simplify. This is minus y equal to 0 to 2, this is y, this is 2 plus y. If I'll open the bracket, this will be minus 2 plus y and dy. This will be gone. Inside I'll be left with 2y and one more y, that is 2y square, which is equal to minus y is equal to 0 to 2, 2y square dy. If I want to integrate this, this will be minus 2 outside, y square integration is y cube by 3. Let us substitute the limits, 0 to 2, which is equal to minus 2 by 3 is outside. Upper limit is 2, 2 cube is 8 and lower limit is 0. That means minus 16 by 3. We are done with the first part of the solution. We got the solution by Green's theorem. Now we need to solve by using line integration. Verification part. Friends, let me draw the curve again. This is my given curve. Let me write it down, name as A, 2 comma 0. This is B, let's say that is 4 comma 2. This is C, let's say 0 comma 2, and finally this is my curve. Again, as discussed, line integration is always with respect to, it's along the line basically. You need to take one direction. Let me assume it's anti-clockwise direction, but if I'm taking anti-clockwise, I will make sure that starting and ending point is same. I'll move the entire curve. Let's start. Here the answer is, I need to solve 3 integrations, AB, BC and finally CA. Let me move on. Let me start solving AB. The logic is same. Either you need to convert the entire problem into x or entire problem into y, because line integration is always with respect to one variable. For that purpose, let us check which limit is changing. If you observe this, x is changing from 2 to 4 and y is also changing from 0 to 2. Both are changing. That means here in this case, this is the line AB, both are changing. X also changing, y also changing. And what is the equation of the line? X minus y equal to 2. Since both are changing, choice is ours. We can either convert the entire problem into x or entire problem into y. We can integrate with respect to any variable. Let's choose. Let me go ahead with y. You can go ahead with x also. Here I am integrating with respect to y. My original problem is x square dx minus xy dy. Let me integrate with respect to y. Y limit is from 0 to 2. That means I need to convert the entire problem in terms of y. Only y should be there. X should not be there. We need to replace x. How? The equation is x minus y equal to 2. Therefore, x is what? 2 plus y. So, wherever you find x, replace by 2 plus y. What is dx? 2 derivative is 0, y is dy. Whenever we get in the problem x, I am going to replace by 2 plus y, and whenever I am going to get dx, I am going to replace with dy. Let's do that. First is x square, x will be replaced by 2 plus y, the whole square, dx is dy, minus again x, 2 plus y into dy. Let us simplify this. This is y equal to 0 to 2. This is actually a plus b the whole square. A square plus twice ab plus b square. Let me take dy outside. Let me open this. This y is actually minus 2y minus y square. Y square will be cancelled. 4y minus 2y will be left with 2y and this 4, which is equal to y equal to 0 to 2, 2y plus 4 bracket close dy. Let's integrate this. Y integration is y square by 2 plus 4 integration is 4y, and the limits are from 0 to 2. Let us substitute. This got cancelled. Upper limit, it is 4 plus 8. Lower limit, it is 0. That is 12. We got the first answer as 12. That is AB is 12. Now we need to solve for two more integration. Let me solve for BC. BC, this is the line BC. Here we do have B. Here we do have C. B points are 4, 2. C points are 0, 2. And this equation, line equation is y equal to 2. Here friends, again the same question in front of us to convert the entire problem into x or entire problem into y. Same question. Let's check which limit is changing. Here y is not changing because y is from 2 to 2. Direction is important. We are moving this direction. Only x is changing. X is changing from 4 to 0. That means this is for sure we need to convert or we need to integrate with respect to x. That means we need to replace y in the problem so that we'll be left with only x so that we can integrate. Therefore, y we need to replace and the equation is y equal to 2. Therefore, wherever we'll get y will be replaced by 2. What is dy? 0. Let's make this substitution here. X square dx, dy is 0, entire term is 0. What is the integration? X cube by 3 from 4 to 0. Let's substitute the limits. If you substitute 0, the answer is 0 obviously. Minus lower limit 4 cube by 3, that is 64 by 3. Therefore, which is equal to BC answer is minus 64 by 3. We got AB, we got BC. Let us find it out the last. That is CA. CA is this line. Here we do have 0, comma 2. This is CA line. 2, comma 0, and the equation of line is x plus y is equal to 2. Again the same problem. Either convert the entire problem into x or entire problem into y. Let's check which limit is changing here. Here friends, see here, this is x changing from 0 to 2, y also changing from 2 to 0. Direction is important. That means both the limits are changing. Therefore, either we can integrate with respect to x or with respect to y. I am choosing to integrate with respect to x. Choice is yours. You can integrate with respect to y also, no problem. X square dx minus xy dy. Let's integrate with respect to x. X limits are from 0 to 2. We need to replace y because we have decided to integrate with respect to x. Therefore, we need to replace y. Y must be replaced. Here the equation of line is x plus y equal to 2. Therefore, y will be 2 minus x. What is dy? 2 derivative is 0, minus x derivative is minus dx. Let me make this substitution. X square dx minus x. Y is 2 minus x and dy is minus dx. Let's open this bracket. This is x equal to 0 to 2. X square dx I'll be taking outside, plus 2x, because this minus and this minus will become plus, minus x square into dx. Open the brackets, you'll get the answer. This will be cancelled and I left with x equal to 0 to 2 inside 2x only. Let's integrate. X is integration is x square by 2 from 0 to 2. Got cancelled. Upper limit minus lower limit. 4 minus 0 is 4. I got all the 4 answers. Let us add. AB, BC, CA. What is AB that we got is 12. Second is minus 64 by 3 and finally 4. If I'll add, I'll get minus 16 by 3. If you see, the same answer we got with Green's theorem. We are done with the problem. Hope you understood. In the next video, we'll discuss few more examples. Thank you.